In this video, we'll be talking about the Algebra 2 topic 4a. Write the quadratic function given 3 specified points in the plane. Set up a matrix to solve for a, b, and c for each quadratic equation. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Use a calculator. Let's look at number 1. Contains points 0, 5, 2, 13, and 3, 26. So the first thing we want to do for these is label each of these. We have x1, y1, x2, y2, and then x3, y3. So what you want to do to set up your matrix is follow this formula. The first column will take x squared, second column x, third column 1, and the fourth column will be y. This third column is always going to be 1 because there's no x here for c. It's really just x to 0 power. And then we'll plug in each of our 3 points into the matrix and then solve using technology. The main thing for these is being able to set them up, not the actual row operations involved for solving. So, x squared for the first x would be 0 times 0. That's just 0. And then x would just be 0. These are all 1, so we can just fill those in. And there our y1 is 5. For the next row, we have 2 times 2, that's 4. And then we have 2, it's always 1 here, and then 13 for our y value. And then our last row, 3 times 3 is 9. 3, 1, 26. Our answer should be a reduced row echelon form with 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. Notice this is a 3 row by 4 column matrix. So it's 3 by 4. Let's review how to use the calculator for this. Specifically the Desmos calculator. So we want to go to desmos.com/matrix. And then we'll click New Matrix. We have 3 rows and 4 columns. From there we'll write in our values that we put on our paper. And then press Enter. Now from here we want to do RREF, and this is, we call this matrix A. We're going to put A right there, and there's our answer. 3, -2, and 5. So we'll write that. 3, -2, and 5. So the equation is y equals 3x squared plus -2x plus 5. That would be our equation that contains these 3 points. Go ahead and set up and solve for the other 3 problems on this page. Check the key as needed to check your answers for these. Practice using both the Desmos matrix calculator and the TI Inspire calculator.